Do people love brainstorming ideas with you or not really? I'm Allie Torman, the author of Chart Spark: Harness Your Creativity in Data Communication to Stand Out and Innovate. And I'm going to share 3 easy things that you can say that will make you the go-to brainstorming partner, and you don't have to have a single good idea. Okay, so say you are working on a project with your team, you all are brainstorming. Tip number 1, no execution talk. You are not playing the part of execution Eddie right now. When you're brainstorming, this is the time to create a bunch of material that you can execute and tweak later on. It is not helpful in this moment to ask, how would we actually do that? Even though it may feel like you were actually being productive by eliminating the ideas that won't actually work. But at the beginning phases of brainstorming, it's really important to let ideas be just for a minute. Even if they won't make the final cut, let them act as a springboard to another idea. So rather than saying, we can't actually do that, try, tell me more. Okay, tip number 2, point out connections. Since we're letting ideas generate and morph into other ideas, that means you can contribute by building off of other people's ideas. What does that last idea remind you of? Have you seen something similar recently? It's okay if these things are not completely related, which can be hard because that feels counterproductive. But pulling from our experiences and cross-pollinating can really help develop interesting ideas. So try saying, that reminds me of. Tip number 3, my favorite, create thought experiments. This is such an easy way to contribute to brainstorming. You can offer up a prompt for everyone to try. Prompts give people something to react to. It challenges their assumptions and helps them see things in a new way and move in a different direction. So try asking, what's the opposite of this idea? What's an obviously wrong idea? Or even, what's the extreme of this idea? Without any ideas of your own, you can lead the group to help them see the problem through a new lens. So try saying, as a thought experiment, what if? So in summary, to be a great brainstorming partner, don't mow down ideas with execution talk. Instead, say, tell me more. Second, point out connections that you see. Say, this reminds me of. And third, share a thought experiment or prompt that the group can try. So say, what if? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more prompts to help you and your team think of new and useful ideas, then grab my book or course called Chart Spark, and I have linked that down below in the description. Bye now.